Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock HDFC AMC. If you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is actually trying to make this cup and handle sort of a pattern. Okay, and if you will see that this line is acting as a resistance and this level is also acting as a resistance. So tomorrow, if the first 15-minute manages to stay like this, and in the first 15 minutes if the candle closes above this trend line, okay, then you can actually consider buying above the high price of this by putting stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, 2910. Okay, it will be almost 1 to 1.5% of stop loss. And what can be our target? Our target can be here, 2965. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to buy this stock for swing, then also it is actually showing us a good upside momentum. Okay, but let's see, this is the 200 EMA of the stock. Okay, 2840. Okay, the stock came here, it tried to go upside, and see, if you want to take position in this sort of a share which has a good future, okay, then you should take position today only. Okay, one more thing, when mutual fund industry is actually under so much of pressure that most of the people are trying to take out their money in this that, so they will also be receiving some sort of a charges as well. Okay, and see, when HDFC AMC was hitting this lifetime high, okay, I was actually the one who told everybody to short this. Okay, but what can happen? From 3700 it went up till 2000 rupees. Okay, it is almost 45% correction, and from that level the stock has come here. Even if we get this stock around this level again at 2400, then also it will be fine. But see, the time has come for this stock to give a upside breakout. How? It made this sort of a pattern, again it is trying to make this sort of a pattern, and if this time it gives a breakout above this like this, it will go up, it will come back, it will again try to go up, then it will again hit a lifetime high. See, if you will see the stock highs and low, you will see that this is the lifetime low, this is lifetime high. Okay, for this stock. Okay, currently the stock is stuck in this zone only, it is not going below this level, it is not going above this level. If you find this stock around this level of 2550 something, then it will be a very good value buy for each and every one of us. Okay, so if you want to take long term position in HDFC AMC, you can take position around here and again average it around here by putting stop loss somewhere near this level. Okay, 2000. Okay, you can average around 2500 at market price, current market price, and 2500. Even if it comes around 2300, you can invest there also. So these three would be our investment levels for HDFC AMC. Okay, one more thing, if you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock has actually been consolidating from the past 6-7 months. Okay, so as per my theory, if the stock will give a breakout of this level, okay, if it will give a breakout of this level, it will soon test the lifetime high first, and then it will try to test this high level of 4578. Remember, this business is actually a very good sort of a business of AMC companies. Okay, and if you'll watch the daily time frame RSI is also around 50 level. Okay, 30 to 50 level, and this stock doesn't go very often below 20, below 30. Okay, and if it goes there, it is a value buy for each and every one of us, because HDFC is actually a very good company.